Did you know your ancestors were smoking 2,500 years ago? Here's what that says about your brain. Every single human civilization in history has found a way to get high. That's not a coincidence. That's psychology. And today I'm going to show you exactly what your ancestors' 2,500-year-old habits reveal about how your brain actually works, because this goes way deeper than history class ever told you. It's 2019. A group of scientists are digging around inside a really old tomb in western China. We're talking 2,500 years old. And what do these scientists find sitting inside ancient wooden burners? Cannabis. Strong cannabis, by the way. Not, oops, a plant grew nearby levels. Someone back then looked at their week and said, you know what? I need a break. And honestly, respect. Jump over to ancient Egypt. Scientists tested mummies, actual wrapped-up Egyptian mummies, and found traces of cannabis, opium, and nicotine inside the bodies. The pyramids hadn't even finished being famous yet, and they were already doing this. It was part of their medicine, part of their religion, part of daily life. All these civilizations, Egypt, China, India, Siberia, Central Asia, they never talked to each other. No WhatsApp, no group chats, no shared TikTok for you page. Completely separate. And yet they all ended up doing the same thing. Every single one. Inside your brain right now, as you watch this, there is a whole system specifically built to respond to cannabis. Scientists call it the endocannabinoid system. Your body makes its own version of this chemical naturally. It's called anandamide. That word comes from the Sanskrit word for bliss. It helps control your mood, your memory, whether you feel calm or stressed, whether life feels manageable or overwhelming. Dopamine isn't really about pleasure, it's about the feeling that something good is about to happen. It's anticipation. Humans are the only creatures on Earth that can think about their own death. We remember embarrassing things from 15 years ago at 3 a.m. No other animal does this. A zebra doesn't lie awake thinking about its zebra choices. Carl Jung said every human being has a deep need for transcendence, the need to step outside your own head and feel something bigger. Your ancestors weren't doing something shameful. They were trying to feel better, just like you. If you have ever craved a drink after a hard day, lost yourself in music, scrolled your phone when you felt overwhelmed you were not being weak, you were running a program. Psychologists have studied children, really young kids, and found they already seek altered states. Nobody teaches them. They spin in circles until they fall over, laughing. The need to sometimes escape your own head is not something that happens to you. It is something you were born with. It comes preloaded. The people who struggle most aren't those with the biggest need to escape. It's those with the fewest healthy ways to do it. Your brain will find a door. Across 2,500 years. Across every continent. Across every language and culture and religion, humans have all been searching for the exact same thing. Not the substance, not the ritual, not the high. Just a moment of quiet. A moment where the noise stops. Your ancient ancestors in their smoke-filled tombs weren't so different from you coming home on a Friday evening and just needing to decompress. They were human, and so are you.